up, guys? In today's video we are just going to be doing some of the tracks, like fixing them, making them better, and all that cool stuff. So I'll show you. We already finished this off camera, so we couldn't show you the before, but we made a pathway through here. Here we go. We just smoothed this out. We smoothed it out a little bit. This was always a berm. And then we got a little bit of a jump here. Not too big, but it's good enough, good enough. And we got a berm right here going out. So we'll skip to the next part. Alright guys, so this is how much we got done so far. Kind of cleaned that up a little bit so it's a little easier to go through. Got this all done. We're gonna need to fix some of this stuff up and do some of that. We got a berm creating right now, and then we got another jump, which we will film a video on. So stay tuned for this new track, and we'll show you the after result. Okay guys, so some of the stuff might have not changed too much. We raked this a lot, did good on that, did good on the berm. Then we got this jump, may not look too big, but it is a good amount, good size. So we'll show you the next spot when we're at the next spot. So since we just cleared up all the trails, we're gonna ride it, all of them. But first we're gonna ride them on the 125, then we're gonna go on the 85, and hopefully you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, he's gonna carry some speed into the berm we made right here. Yeah, then he hits the jump.
don't judge that the bike's look dirty. I mean, guys, I know what you're thinking. I wasn't going fast enough, but we only have 5 anchors. Give me a break. Alright guys, so that's it for this Off-Road Forever video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to comment down what we should do. And yeah, have a good day and see ya.